Hi, so what we want to do in this video is go through our lead generation process. What it'll do for you is it will show you how you can bring your audience through a seamless journey all the way through various steps to become happy customers.
Yes, and so that you can implement it as soon as possible and increase your sales in the coming season. So before we start explaining, we want to tell you that most marketing partners, freelancers, agencies, what they offer when they create an ad for you is that they do this part of the process, and then they do some SEO that would be included in this part of the process. But they don't create a seamless journey that takes your audience or your ideal customers or your prospects on a step-by-step journey that makes them become happy customers at the end of the journey. And that has a process that we're going to explain to you just now.
So the first step in the process is where we get to know your business better. We look at your social media, your websites, and then we discuss with you your ideal customers, your unique selling points, and those types of information to get a holistic view of your business.
Exactly. So we understand your whole universe, and we understand what makes you different from the competitors. What is that ideal person, ideal customer that you're ready to serve with your product or service? And we move on to segmenting. So what we do is that we replicate that person so that you can find it, so that we can find it on the internet over and over again, so that you can do the same.
Once that's done, we move on to step number 3, is where we look at your ad strategy campaign. We decide what your ads will look like in conjunction with you and your team, what your ads will look like, what text will be in there to persuade people to click on it, and then we present it to you for approval.
Yeah, so this part is a very dense part of the process, because we check again all your different assets, and we make sure that there's a coherence visually and of communication, so that your ads are talking to the right person. That's where the persuasive copywriting comes, which is the text that's going to talk to the person that you described to us on step 1.
Once that's complete, we move on to the approval process, where we show you everything that's going to be published, get your approval, and then we move on to step number 5, which is go live. Basically, what that is when your ads are up on the platforms for your potential customers to see them.
Exactly. So once your ads have been going live for a few days, we move on to the data analysis. And that's what I call the gold part of the process, because that gives us data numbers that explain clearly which steps of the process are thriving and which steps of the process need to be revised.
Once that's complete, we move on to step number 7, which is optimization. In this step, we optimize the areas that need improvement in the whole process so that your ads are reaching the required audience and achieving the required goals.
So we truly hope that you understood this 7-step process and that you can implement it in your business and start connecting in a very seamless and non-aggressive way with your ideal customers. If you have any questions of any of the steps, please feel free.
Click on the link below and avail of your complimentary call.
We can't wait to meet you. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Bye.